Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. To continue study with arithmetic progression, I just want to remind you that today's lesson is fully based on formulae. So make sure that you have learned all the formulas taught in the earlier classes. For example, we are going to talk about sum of n terms in this question, which I am going to explain you first. What is the formula for Sn? N upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close, right? And you also know the other formula for that. Instead this you can also use the formula n by 2 first term plus last term, that is a plus tn, right? So that depends on the question, what information is given to us and which formula is to be used. So see the first question. The first term of an AP is 6 and the common difference is 3. Find S27. As we are starting the topic here, so a very simple question I have started with. First term, first write down what is given. So given for an AP. Now here again, this is an AP given. So directly start recording the terms. First term is A. We denote it by A for the formula. For first term, that is A, that is what? 6. Common difference denoted by D, that is what? 3. And what you have to find is S27. S27 means sum of 27 terms. Thus, what is the value of n here? How many terms? 27. Clear? Then in this case, since we do not know what is the last term, so we shall use this formula. So write down the formula. Okay. Now start solving. S27. So what comes? N, substitute n. 27 upon 2. 2 times A, that is 2 into 6, plus n 27 minus 1 multiplied by D 3 bracket close. 27 and 2 you cannot simplify, so proceed. First solve the bracket. 6 2s are 12 plus 27 minus 1 26 into 3. Now common mistake is what? The children tend to simplify this 2 and 12. In variety of lessons I have taught you that this is not allowed. This 2 is not simply dividing this 12. This is dividing the whole expression. So unless you make a single expression of that, do not in hurry burry, just do not jump to the conclusion and solve. So it remains as 27 upon 2. Simplify this bracket very properly. Go step by step. 12 plus 26 into 3. What is that? 78. Right? Is equal to 27 upon 2. Still you cannot do anything unless you solve. So 80 90 into 90. So now this bracket is being simplified and it has come to a single number. Now definitely you can do the simplification because it gets cancelled. So 2 and 45 times. What is the answer? 27 multiplied by 45. So multiply 27 by 45. Okay. Answer is 1215. Clear? So a very simple sum. What needed to be done very carefully, record all the numbers very carefully, use the correct formula, and for that learn the formula. Okay. Next question. Find the sum of the first 123 even natural numbers. What you have to find is sum. What are they? First 123 even natural numbers. So first write down the even natural numbers. First means what? Starting from whichever is the first natural number, even natural number. So what will be that series? 2, smallest even number 2, followed by 4, 6 and so on. Like this way, how many numbers we have to find? 123. Now is this an AP? Yes. First thing is this is an AP. First term is known, yes. Common difference 2. N's value is known, yes, 123. So when you copy down the question, that time only you analyze all these things. So first thing what you have to write is, this is an AP. In the question nowhere it is mentioned that it is an AP. So we will write down the statement, this is an AP with, what is A here? First term 2. Common difference, since it is not given, so write down this term 4 minus 2, 2. So that will be a good habit to note down all the details here. And of how many terms you have to find? 123. So n equals what here? 123. Now which formula you will use? Which involves A, D and N. So formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Every sum you recite, you learn the formula by the time you solve 3-4 sums. N is what? 123 upon 2. Again, you cannot simplify these two numbers. So proceed with the further part. Simplify this bracket first. 2 into a, that is 2. N is what? 123 minus 1 into d is what again? 2. Substitution is done. 123 upon 2. Work out 2 2s are 4 plus 123 minus 1. What that is? 122 multiplied by 2. 123 upon 2 bracket 4 plus 2, 4, 4. Right. So into 2, 4, 8. Now you can simplify. 1, 2, 4. The answer is 123 multiplied by 124. Work out and get the answer what it is. Okay. So I leave this calculation to you. You work out for that and complete the sum. Okay. Next one, find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. Between word is important here. Let's note down what is given to us. We have to find the sum, SN formula, of all even numbers between 1 and 350. So let's find the even numbers between 1 and 350. What are they? Starting with 2, 1 to we will draw, 4, 6. Now come here, 350 is an even number. Can we take it? No. Why? Because between we want. So 350 will be the ending part. So before 350, which is the even number? 348. Now next concluding statement, what you have to write? This is an AP. Do you agree with that? Think of your answer. This is an AP. Why? Because they are increasing by the same number 2. This is an AP where what do you want to know? A is what? 2. D, what I said, you need to show here that 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay. Now what is 348? 348 is the last term of this AP, right? Some children get confused with 348 as n. This is not n for sure. 348 is the last term. So we do not know how many terms are there, as we have done questions of similar pattern earlier. So you know that Tn will be mentioned as 348, and this will help you to find the value of n. So got it? Even though we have to use Sn formula later, first we need to find the value of n. Without that we cannot proceed with Sn, right? So using Tn formula, last term or nth term A and D, we will find the value of n. So what is Tn formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is Tn here? 348 is equal to 2 plus n we do not know minus 1 into D. D is what here? 2. So now here 2 can be shifted to the LHS. 348 minus 2 equals n minus 1 into 2. Okay. So you get 346. Now this 2 can be brought on the left hand side. So divided by 2. equals what? N minus 1. 2 1s are 7s are 3s are. So you get n minus 1 is equal to 173. That gives you n is equal to 173 plus 1 and you get n is equal to 174. Now we can proceed with Sn formula. Now let me remind you, Sn formula, two ways it can be used. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know a, we know n, we know d. We can use it. But here we can also use Sn formula when we know the first term and the last term. So in this question we will take the advantage of that. What is that formula? Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket first term, that is a, plus last term, that is tn. And tn is what here? 348. Did you get, children? So directly we will use this formula, which will work as a very shorter way over here. So n by 2, what is that? 174 upon 2. Can you use the other formula? Of course. But since the last term and the first term normally is available, last term is also directly available, we are using this shortcut. A is what? 2 plus 348. Okay. Here you can simplify. So simplify. 2 8s are and 7s are. 87 into 248 plus 2, that is 350. Now work out 87. See, I am multiplying it by 35, but do not forget to write that 0 later on. First only, otherwise